back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, we're filming in the basement today. Not gonna lie, Ian's passed out in the other room. Our girlfriend's sleeping upstairs, hence why we're filming in the basement. It's early morning right now. I haven't slept yet. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hungover, if not still drunk. So just bear with me. But we're gonna have a cool video, hopefully. I don't even know what's going on right now. Also, I do want to say, man, thank you guys so much for the support. As always, every video I want to say that to you guys. If you guys just want to leave comments and thumbs up down below, it really helps out the channel so much. We are in a funk right now where, you know, we are blacklisted again for previous videos I've done, and it's really affecting the channel a little bit. So if you guys just want to do that, I'd love that. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Now, this video is sponsored by the company they call Manscaped, boys. As you can see right here, your balls will thank you. Let's get into it real quick. Now, Manscaped is the only men's brand dedicated to grooming and trimming and whatever you got going on down below, and I'll tell you right now, it's a big thing. I've been there, done that. You go out, you find a significant someone, you don't got your junk groomed right, it's an issue. All of a sudden, you pull down your pants, they're looking at like a little egg in a bird's nest. You know, you don't want that. What you need to do is you need to start trimming down below. Take your little bird egg and turn it into a massive sausage. Trimming it makes a difference, it's a fact. Now let's get into the perfect package 3.0 they sent out today. As you can see right when you open it up, your balls will thank you. Now inside you're gonna find the Lawnmower 3.0. It's a beauty. They also got a little LED light on here. They got a dual system that's also gonna save you from nicks. Nicks are a bad thing. It's gross, it sucks, it hurts, and also once again, you're going to visit someone, you drop the drawers and they see a nick, they're sending you to the doctor to get tested before you're doing anything. So don't get nicks with the lawnmower. We also have a fast charging docking system. You're good to go at any point in time. We also got the crop reviver right here, the ball toner, if you will. Just give the nuts a couple spritz, you're good to go. Now with this package, man, we got a little deal for you. If you guys click the link down below, you're gonna get 20% off plus free international shipping, as well as 2 free gifts. We've got boxers right here that are non-chafe. Super excited to wear those. And we also have a free bag right here that says Manscaped, great quality to keep all of your goods in if you're going traveling, whatever it may be. Manscaped's for the boys in other ways as well. They also have this little kit right here. They're gonna keep you fresh with your toenails. You got everything you need in this cool little package right here, as well as our hair and body wash. Now this is something I can really relate to. We have the Weed Whacker right here. Just like the ball trimmer that we just saw, this is also waterproof. You turn it on right there, you plop her in the nose, and you start going. This thing's got a high-powered system with it. She works like a charm, man. Go check out Manscaped. They're there for the boys. And also, man, I gotta hook you guys up. If you use the code NameBran20 at checkout, you will get an extra discount on your purchase. And thank God I filmed that beforehand. Let's get into the video, boys. Alright, man, so I'm already pissed off about this. What we're unboxing today is apparently real diamond jewelry for $20 off AliExpress. Now, one of you guys hit me up in the DMs on Instagram. My Instagram's right there. Hit me up whenever with a link of this AliExpress page, which I will not link down below unless this comes true, which it will not. And when I said that I'm just hungover and maybe a little drunk, I think I'm still drunk. Anyway, this right here, what I have, apparently they're claiming for 20 bucks on AliExpress, literally in the freaking title, it's real diamonds. It's not gonna be real diamonds, but we have to test it. We got the diamond testers right here. If this one passes, this is the cheap one, $20 one, we're gonna use the big guns. The $500 or $250, I don't know, diamond tester. I call it the $500 one, sounds a little bit cooler. But we're gonna test these pieces right now. Hold back a little bit. What's going on, Brad? Sorry, I had to get a video for you guys and freaking everyone's asleep. I'd just like to talk to a camera. Anyway, $20 from AliExpress. Let's see if it's real. And they're fucking lying to you. I'm gonna say it right now. They're fucking lying to you, and I can't be swearing. This means more editing, and God, then I have to edit, and then I can go to bed. Shit. Okay, anyway, we got 2 packages right here. I spent a total of $40 on these pieces. Now, these pieces I picked because the pieces that I picked, I felt had a greater chance of being actually real, and as we can see, like, they looked really good in pictures. And as we can, so this is not gonna be real. Dude, maybe I'll just post the link. I'm thinking out loud right now. Maybe I'll just post the link so you guys can bash them down below. I don't know. Maybe I won't post the link. No, I'm not gonna post the link if it's not real. Anyway, the first one, OTF chain right here. Once again, they claim that these are real diamonds. They claim this. They absolutely claim this, that these are real diamonds, and I'm looking at it right now. These things look like gemstones on my ball sack. First one right here, we got, this is just, this is garbage. You can't be claiming that. Maybe I will put the link. Dude, if I put the link down below, check if I put the link. And if I did, and I'm gonna post that when I'm more sober, then that means that you need to write the worst reviews ever. So now I can't post the link. Okay, whatever. Anyway, we got the OTF right here. You guys seen a little Dark wearing this. Honestly, King Von, rest in peace, brother. He also wore this at one point. There's just a couple pendants that I picked out that we have to test. If they're claiming they're real, I don't even need to test this right now. Also, my diamond tester. Okay, the fucking cheap one's broken. We gotta do this one. Boys, let me know. If if this is an annoying video, tell Bran literally in the comments not to film when he's a little DRU on K. You know what I'm saying? But if you guys get a little more entertained by this, then hey, man, sometimes I'll pull the camera a little more then. You know, film a little more when I'm DRU on K, you know? So you guys let me know down below. I know that I could be kind of annoying in that aspect. This is ready to go. Anyway, OTF chain. It came with this. Now, if it's going to be real diamonds, I guarantee that it should probably be real silver that they would be adding to this. But for 20 bucks, like I say, this is ridiculous. It's just, it's bullshit. They're lying to your face, man. And it's the worst thing ever. So anyway, $20 chain from, what's it called? AliExpress. Is it going to pass a diamond tester? Like they said, absolutely nothing. Suck a fat one. No, I'm actually kind of annoyed at that though. How can you claim that this is gonna be real diamonds? Do you see how big they are, man? And I'm gonna wake up Ian in the other room. That's gonna piss him off, and then I'm gonna get in trouble. Hopefully he's still passed out. All right. Next, that's bad. They're lying. They're lying. So I bought another pendant off the same people that were saying that they're claiming that they're fucking real diamonds. This one I'm actually pretty stoked for. You guys know I'm a huge fan of XXXTentacion. A giant fan. I love him. I loved him before he passed, and I love him ever since. And it comes in a stupid bag. This pendant, whether it's gonna pass, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not gonna pass based on this one. This company is lying. Whoever's shouting that out on AliExpress. This one right here, that one I'm stoked about. I've had something like this before. I've actually had something quite exact to this, but I've never actually had one that apparently will pass a diamond tester, I think. I don't know. Anyway, apparently this one passes a diamond tester. I'm looking for 925 right now to see if it's silver. There's no stamping on it, and you're not going to be putting real diamonds. Why am I lying? Why am I pretending that this is going to be real? It's not going to be real. We can't. It's not going to be real. For 20 bucks, real diamonds. F off. F you. Yeah, they're gemstones. There's literally nothing coming up. Now, if it was real, it would come green. There's nothing coming up. Now I'm realizing, don't get me pissed now. Now I'm realizing there's a missing stone there, bro. There's a missing stone in my gem. Stupid. Dumb. Never trust AliExpress, and if they say they're real diamonds for 20 bucks, it's not a fact. It's an infactual fact. It's a fact that it's infactual. Alright? Anyway, there's the pieces. Stupid. Dumb. I knew it was going to turn out this way, and now I'm getting re-mad about my purchase. I spent $40 on Have a good day, boys. I'm going to go back to bed after editing this video, and hopefully frickin' the edits turn out somewhat good. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game. Greatest of all time. Oh, Brian, you drink too much. Yeah, man. It's COVID, dude. Like, God, what else do I have to do? Actually, I don't. It's like once a week. I had the boys over, or like on the FaceTime or whatever. And we played some games. We played some drinking games, and we had a good time. And now I'm filming this stupid frickin' video. I'm re-mad, dumb, stupid, done. Bye. Hi. Also, manscaped.com. They're there for you and your balls.